Welcome to the Backpack Family YouTube channel. I am Jonathan. In today's episode, Kelly, the kids, and I head to the Alaska State Fair with the brand new Insta360 GO Ultra. We're going to be eating some delicious food, checking out all the animals, seeing all the unique sights that this fair is famous for, from giant vegetables to amazing displays. And we're really going to see how the Insta360 GO Ultra, this little teeny camera, can capture this big, huge Alaska State Fair. Ready for the fair?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do this thing. First thing, we got to get tickets. I have no idea how much it costs.
Yeah, me neither.
All right, let's go find out. Hello. 2 adults and 1 youth.
All right, 2 adults, 1 youth will be $50.
$50? Great, thank you. All right, Cedar, youth ticket?
Yep.
Granite, adult ticket?
Cool,
Welcome to the club.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, adult?
Good.
I know,
Glad
hard to
hear
believe.
it. I know, right? They grow up so fast.
All right, everybody, first thing we got to do is connect with Kelly and Forrest. They actually came in on a different entrance because we drove separately. So hopefully we can find them here fairly quickly in the fair and then find some dinner. Hey, Forrest, how you doing, buddy? Good. Oh, you excited to be at the fair?
Yeah.
Me too. How's it going? You made it. Woohoo! Made it to the fair. You guys getting hungry?
We are starving.
There's so much to see, so much to do, but you want to start with food?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Look, I see fried Oreos right
Oh,
there.
fried Oreos. Oh, my goodness.
Oreos.
Well, it wouldn't be a fair without some fried food.
Right.
All right, well, we are going to head grab some food first. All right, before we dive in, I want to show you the camera we're going to be filming on today, and that is the brand new Insta360 GO Ultra. And let's take a look at this camera. The first observation, of course, is that it is so very tiny. It's actually a little bit smaller than my old kind of classic earbuds case. I mean, look at the difference. This is incredible. But this camera shoots in 4K, so you're going to get some incredible sharp footage off this little teeny camera. And what I love most about this camera is that it's so easy to go completely hands-free. With their magnet pendant, I can just clip it right to my shirt and have a conversation in a much more natural state. I can also clip it onto the front of a hat bill, and you're going to be able to get some very creative shots that you can't otherwise do with a big, bulky camera. And this really gives you the opportunity to shoot much more natural without having that huge camera in your face while you're talking. And the GO Ultra can really mount just about anywhere. We can stick it to the rail on one of the rides. You can absolutely set it down on a food stand, or you can even pop it right onto an old school selfie stick and film kind of in a traditional style, like a vlog. Plus, there's the image quality to consider. Not only is this 4K, but it now shoots 4K 60 frames a second. So even when you're moving around the fair, everything looks super clean and cinematic. And here's something that really surprised me. The battery life. This standalone camera right here runs for 70 minutes. But if you combine it with the included action pod, now you've got 200 minutes to film. And if you happen to really film a lot of content and you go through 200 minutes, Insta360 included fast charging on this. So if you plug it in, 12 minutes later, or really the time it takes you to eat some delicious street food, you're back to 80% battery. So that's plenty of battery for us to film a full day of adventure. So if you want to check out the Insta360 GO Ultra for yourself, scan the QR code that's on the screen now, or click on the link in the description and the pinned comment. Now let's go have some fun at the fair. All right, guys, it feels so good to be back at the Alaska State Fair.
Yes, we're back.
Yeah, and the thing is, this Alaska Fair last year, that was our first Alaska video, or really after the road trip.
Yes,
we got back, we came to the fair that first weekend, so to be back year 2 at the fair really means a lot to us.
Yeah, but we already have our list of foods we want to try that we didn't get to, foods that we ate that we loved, and then all the rides the kids want to do.
Yeah, so you're gonna see maybe some repeats of our favorites and some new stuff as well.
Yes, can't wait to get in here and get started.
All right, well, on the hunt for food first, yeah?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Can we get 2 orders of the 6 Grandma Wells chicken dumplings? Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. All right, so we got the 2 Grandma's dumplings, and we also got an iced tea for Mom.
All right, guys, how is that? It's really kind of Southeast Asia type food, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
We just can't get enough of it.
Takes you right back.
Yeah, the dumplings have a really good taste to it. I think it's a little fried because it's sort of like a brown color.
It looks pan-fried, doesn't it?
Yeah.
the best way.
Oh,
It's really good. Forrest, do you like it? Yeah, it has like the skin and the chicken.
So tasty.
Yeah.
Cal, how's that Thai iced tea?
ooh, it's delicious. You want to taste?
Oh, sure.
Whenever you're missing Thailand, you just
Oh, yeah.
big sip.
It's authentic. It tastes legit, just like it. We're gonna knock out the dumplings, the Thai iced tea, and we'll see what's next. But there is a whole fair full of food to explore. All right, Granny, you thinking crab cakes?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
You gotta go crab.
So you gotta go crab cakes, the Alaska crab cakes. You can do 5 for $15, or it looks like 15 for $25. All right, Granite, looking good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go find a place to eat. Sit down and eat.
Okay.
The Alaska crab cakes. 5 of them cost $15.
And then a bucket was like 25 or something.
Yeah, a bucket of 15 for 25. Now, if I knew we weren't going to be eating a whole lot more, I probably would have got the bucket. But
Yeah.
all right, here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. That's good. The breading's really nice and crunchy. You can really taste that crab flavor in there. I wonder how much crab they have to get to make like a bucket of these.
I mean, to serve everyone over the fair, I imagine many hundreds of crabs
Yeah.
go into it. But that tartar sauce, too, gives it that nice kind of sharp mayo, pickle relish flavor. But that's good.
Yeah, it's just a nice, soft, refreshing kind of state fair food. That's good.
Perfectly fried.
Yeah.
All right, Forrest, you want to wear the camera?
Yes.
All right, so first things first, you got to get that magnet mount on you. There you go. And let's tighten it up just a little. How's that? Pretty good? Okay, so you tuck this in your shirt. Perfect. And we're going to pop the camera right here.
Okay.
Easy peasy, huh? You ready to go play?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, you guys, are you seriously gonna go ride some mini monster trucks?
Yeah.
Forrest, are you gonna drive one all by yourself?
Yeah.
All right, let's get in there, see what it's all about. All right, we're going in the Mud Puppy. Mud Puppy.
Yeah.
Nice, good name. Oh, this one? All right. Oh, the Renegade Forest. All right, Cedar and Forest, do you know what's about to happen?
Yeah.
The petting zoo. It's just over here. What a great opportunity to see some POV with this little camera here. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we're using the hat clip and boom.
That tastes way better than store-bought.
For real? You can taste the difference? Yeah, sure.
You can taste it.
Cat, open,
It's
cat,
more
squish.
creamy.
Open, ketchup high.
Oh,
squish
most
and
definitely.
blow.
Wow, that's
There you
fascinating.
go. Hey,
Yeah.
It almost tastes
there's
sweeter.
no horsing around on the stage or you won't be able to milk.
Yeah.
We have to
It tastes like ice cream, melted ice cream.
Yeah, melted ice cream.
Very good. All right, Cedar, where are we at now?
All right, so we are at elephant ears, and we're gonna get an elephant ear with cinnamon sugar.
Kind of the classic fair food, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what's up in the queue. All right, guys, Cedar, you ready to dig into this elephant ear?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go for another experimental shot. We've got the Insta360 GO Ultra on the hat strap, and we'll see how this looks. You ready for this, Cedar?
Yep.
Here we go, buddy. Here, we tilt down. All right, here you go. All right, enjoy your elephant ear.
Wow, that tastes really good.
All right, right behind me, absolutely one of the most iconic foods you're gonna find at this Alaska fair. Pork chop on a stick, so simple, but so delicious. We're gonna hop in the queue here and do a little POV action. Hello, can I get a pork chop on a stick, please?
Anything else?
Just the pork chop on a stick.
There you go. 9 is your change.
All right, thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Oh yeah, dripping. It is absolutely huge, totally, again, iconic, smothered in that smoked paprika salt type flavors, and we're gonna give it a go.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. It's something I'm looking forward to since last year. So good. All right, guys, Granite is up on this one. I can't do the spinny ones anymore. It makes me too nauseous. But Granite, on the other hand, yeah, good luck to him on there. All right, Cedar, good luck. Good, you're gonna need it. I can't believe Cedar's going on that thing.
So crazy.
Wow, that's like an intense ride.
No way.
Oh, here we go. It's like this whole thing's spinning, the entire thing is spinning, and the individual cart is doing flips. That's gonna be a mess.
She could not convince Granite to go on it with her, and none of us want to go on that
Yeah,
one. So she's
not a
doing
chance.
it. Fire
Good on her.
do it,
Good
yeah.
on her.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you. Check it out. This looks so delicious. I wish you could smell it. It smells like garlic, and it is super hot, fresh out of the oven. Spinach cheese bread. Yum. Cheers. Oh, that's so good.
It's like a pizza, but extra garlicky.
Really garlicky, salty, crispy, like pan fried crust, and oh wow, that's delicious.
The bread is like the most favorite part.
Oh, so you like the crust best?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we are at the Ruben Haas, and we are going to get one of the Ruben bowls, which is literally all the sides, but on top of the French fries. Dowry, help me split it. 'Cause
I'm sure I'll have a bite or
sure
two.
it'll be big.
Sauerkraut, corned beef,
Oh, yeah.
sauce. You can't beat that.
Can't beat that. But yeah, sounds good. I'm gonna go order up. Okay, guys, so we're here with the Ruben fries, and it just looks awesome. There's the fries on the bottom, then the corned beef on top, and what are the?
So this is a Thousand Island dressing sauce with homemade sauerkraut. And I think they had some kind of fancy name for it, but basically sauerkraut.
Okay.
Should be pretty good. Corned beef is one of my favorite kind of
Corned
ways to
beef,
prepare meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, big bite, nice. Totally smoky, very delicious. The tanginess from the Thousand Island dressing on top is very good.
Yeah, like you said, very tangy. The sauerkraut's kind of sour, very nice. The French fries have a nice like seasoning on it, a little salty, and that corned beef just brings it all together.
You know, there's also cheese on here.
Yeah,
So
it's
there's
like,
like a Swiss cheese. And with the fries, I watched her, they sort of batter the fries in some kind of a gravy, then fried them, so they're not just like generic French fries. They got their own
Yeah.
little batter to them. But
Yeah.
here's the ultimate bite here.
this is a
all
really
pieces.
good combo.
It's got the classic Reuben with the saltiness of the fries.
But yeah, this was highly recommended. This is good.
The price to food ratio on this particular stall, excellent.
I think so too.
Yeah, I mean, $14, then you get this whole bowl versus some other things we bought earlier. It's very small portions for about the same price. So this hits it out of the park for,
Oh, yeah.
I think, for value and flavor.
Yeah, that's
look at that.
very good.
All right, everyone, what a wonderful day at the Alaska State Fair it was.
Woo! That was awesome. Just as fun as last year.
It brings back memories from when we lived in Alaska before, so it's always nostalgic to come to the fair. And I gotta say, the Insta360 GO Ultra really did a great job capturing all of the essence of the fair. It was a lot of fun using the new camera.
It's fun to play around with it because there's all different ways you can wear it and shoot different angles. So that's really cool.
Yeah, if half of those really goofy ones turned out with like Cedar wearing the camera on her head, should be a pretty good little episode. All right, so if you want to grab an Insta360 GO Ultra for yourself, follow the QR code that's on the screen right now, or check out the pinned comment down below, or obviously a link in the description. It's a great family camera. I think you'll really enjoy it, and you'll have some creative fun using a camera that's this versatile.
Yep, fun for the whole family. in any kind of setting. At the state fair, climbing a mountain, snowboarding, all types of cool stuff.
You know it. You know it. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.